Sell your boat Cyprus with European Yacht Brokers Cyprus and pay only a 5% commission. Our expert team is dedicated to helping you secure the best deal effortlessly. Using a yacht broker provides numerous advantages when buying or selling a boat. Brokers possess extensive market knowledge, helping you set the right price and attract potential buyers. They handle marketing, advertising, and negotiations, saving you time and effort. Brokers also have access to a wide network of contacts, increasing your reach in the market. Additionally, they navigate the often complex paperwork and legal requirements, reducing the risk of errors. Finally, their expertise offers peace of mind, ensuring a smoother and more efficient transaction overall. Experience personalized support and a seamless selling process. Join other satisfied sellers today.